The Lennox E1 error code indicates a communication timeout between your indoor HVAC unit, such as an air handler or furnace, and the outdoor unit, which is the condenser or even the thermostat. This error means the control board is experiencing a data transmission failure, preventing proper communication between these components. Communication typically occurs through wiring connections, as shown in this diagram, using protocols like RS-485 or proprietary networks. The control board, visible here with its electronic components and wires, handles this data transmission and can fail due to various issues. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and potential fixes for the E1 error. Several factors can trigger the E1 error in Lennox HVAC systems. The most common cause is loose, corroded, or damaged low-voltage wiring, typically 24 volts, that connects the indoor and outdoor units. Another frequent trigger is power interruptions or voltage fluctuations that cause the indoor unit circuit board to reset and lose communication. Component failures within the indoor unit, such as faulty circuit boards or capacitors, can also lead to the E1 communication timeout error. Electromagnetic interference from nearby electronics can disrupt the communication signals between the indoor and outdoor units, causing the E1 error. Aging wiring, especially in homes built before 2015, is a frequent culprit due to wear and tear over time that affects the reliability of the connections. Before calling a technician for your Lennox E1 error, try these initial DIY checks. First, power cycle your system by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This resets the control boards and can often clear communication timeouts. Next, carefully inspect and tighten all wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Look closely for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections that could interrupt communication. Finally, check the control board for any blown fuses or obviously faulty capacitors. A blown fuse appears broken or discolored, while a bad capacitor may bulge or leak. Replace any damaged components you find. If the initial steps don't resolve the E1 error, more advanced diagnostics are needed. Lennox offers service tools like the iComfort app, which can help pinpoint the issue. Technicians can also use these tools to reprogram the board or identify specific component failures. Consider using the Lennox support page to see if your unit has issues or known recalls. Repair costs for an E1 error in Lennox HVAC systems can vary significantly based on the specific issue and your system model. Simple fixes are often more affordable, while complex repairs can be more expensive. For simple wiring issues, such as loose or corroded connections, professional repair costs typically range from $50 to $150. This includes labor for inspection and replacement of low-voltage wires, plus any necessary parts. More complex repairs, such as replacing a faulty circuit board, can cost between $100 and $500. This cost varies depending on your specific Lennox model, with higher-end units requiring more expensive replacement parts and specialized labor. Early intervention and accurate diagnosis are crucial for cost savings. Addressing E1 errors promptly can prevent the issue from escalating to more extensive problems, such as full system replacement, which could cost over $1,000. Professional service ensures proper fixes and avoids recurring issues. Let's examine a residential case study from Texas. A homeowner encountered an E1 error on their Lennox XC21 system following a severe thunderstorm. The root cause was corroded outdoor wiring, damaged by humidity and exposure. Using Lennox's online troubleshooting guide, they cleaned the connections and applied protective sealant, successfully resolving the issue without needing professional service. This demonstrates how simple DIY maintenance can fix many E1 errors. Now consider a commercial example from a hotel chain. They retrofitted 50 Lennox units with firmware version 4.1, which incorporates advanced E1 auto recovery capabilities. Prior to the update, monthly communication timeouts resulted in $2,000 in repair costs. Following the firmware upgrade, error incidents decreased by 85%, significantly reducing downtime and maintenance expenses. This case illustrates the value of professional firmware updates for larger installations. These case studies demonstrate that E1 error resolutions vary widely. From basic homeowner maintenance to sophisticated commercial retrofits, the approach depends on the scale and underlying cause. Both examples underscore the importance of timely intervention to prevent costly system failures. The HVAC industry is shifting to wireless communication using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to reduce E1 errors caused by wiring faults. This eliminates issues like loose connections and electromagnetic interference that can disrupt signals between indoor and outdoor units. Predictive analytics powered by artificial intelligence are also emerging in HVAC systems. These AI algorithms analyze data from connected devices to forecast communication failures, including E1 errors, before they happen. This allows the system to auto-correct issues or alert users proactively, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Lennox's partnership with Nest, acquired by Google, illustrates this integration trend. Their hybrid systems combine traditional Lennox HVAC components with Nest's smart thermostat technology, enabling advanced diagnostics and automatic error correction for communication issues. Looking ahead, expect a significant decrease in manual E1 diagnoses as machine learning algorithms become more sophisticated at preemptively identifying and addressing root causes of communication failures. HVAC experts emphasize that the E1 error can mask deeper problems. Ignoring it can lead to system inefficiency and higher energy bills. Regular annual inspections are recommended to mitigate issues. Ensure thermostat compatibility and consider EMI shielding for future models to prevent interference. Remember, early diagnostic intervention saves 20 to 30% in long-term costs. In summary, proactive maintenance and expert guidance can prevent E1 errors and ensure efficient HVAC operation.